Welcome to my channel, people. Brownbossjatours. Now today we'll be touring the Tucker Irwin area here in Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. So we're gonna start driving from the Barnet Tech Park Road here. Alright, coming from the Bogue section. So we'll be going or heading over to the Tucker section. Alright, so this area, a few years back, let's say about 3 years ago, the road was like really bad. A whole lot of potholes, just extremely hard to navigate. Alright, but recently we have actually gotten the road fixed, new roads. So really excited about this major move for the community here. Alright, if you're a normal Montegonian, you would know that going along this road here at Tucker Irwin is a really busy road, especially for trucks, trailers, big units. We have a lot of these, as you can see on the screen right now. Oh, and look at that. The Montego Bay bypass intersection would actually be from that area there, to take you through Granville. Alright, some major things coming, people. Alright, so let's get back to it. Yes, we'll be going through the Tucker Irwin section, and make sure that you stick towards the end of the video where you would see the part that they actually constructed recently, the road that takes you to the Irwin High School that has been renovated recently. And it's a really big move because we had some really huge potholes around that section. Alright, so right now you've just passed the turn off that will actually take you to Fairfield Irwin. Yes, that turn off. The road is still really bad around that section, some huge potholes as well. Hopefully that can be fixed real soon. Alright, so we will now be approaching the Seba field, a huge football field, and also swimming pool. Oh, and that area that you pass towards the left, that can take you to Fairfield as well. Towards the right, you would see Seba field. Alright, they usually have, there's a go-kart, Montego Bay go-kart over there as well. And a swimming pool that you can get swimming lessons, and also football field that they have various matches. Alright, so we are actually now in Tucker Irwin. Yes, so as you can see, people, really smooth road we have at this section. When I just come here, let's say about 3 years ago, it was like really bad. You had to drive really slow, trying to navigate the huge potholes. And when they were fixing it, we have like a lot of white mall in the area. So either side of the road, the banks and just cars parked along were covered with mall. It was really dirty. Alright, but look at the result, the end result. Yes, people, amazing job. We can drive through this area, with ease, and just go through. If you want to go to the estuary scheme or Meadows of Irwin scheme, or you want to go to the Irwin High School or the Irwin Primary School, yes, this is the ideal road to take. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're just going through the Tucker Irwin section. Yes, you can see houses on either side, and also small businesses. Yes, a really busy area, and you cannot pass this area without seeing a truck. That's really a popular thing around this side. filled with pure trucks. Trucks carry materials to fix roads or just for developing the area, because we have a number of schemes being erected as we speak around the Fairfield Irwin side. Yes, so a whole lot to come in the future developing Montego Bay area. Yes, people, so as you can see, houses on either side and cars parked along with car wash and some other small businesses. Okay, so we're almost there where we would actually take the bend to go around to the Irwin High School. Okay, so stick with me, people, while I show you the road that was, recently. When I say recent, it was like I think it was about last week or so that this road was fixed. Okay, so here we are. So previously we had like a huge pothole at this major corner, and we had to take the corner really wide. So now we can take the corner with ease. And as you can see, equipment on the side of the road, and towards the right it has been dug out, excavated. There should be like something that's going to be situated there or erected there in the near future. All right, so yeah, we can look out for that. But look at this road, people. Brand new road laid out. It was done mainly by the Chinese, the persons who are actually having some work done to build some new scheme units around this area. Alright, so towards the right you will have Irwin Point, and we will just go into the heart right now of this community, where we have some little shops on the roadside, and there is a garage towards the left, and a bar and a car wash. Alright, and as we head to the corner, we should actually get to the high school and the primary school towards the right. So there we have it, people. Yes, Irwin High and Irwin Primary. So yes, a really good look for the community. As I said, the roads were really bad. Even passing this section, we had to drive really slowly so we could just go through the potholes skillfully, not damaging the front end of the vehicles. But yes, they stopped right there, and hopefully this part can be fixed, because this road will take you to the Meadows of Irwin section. Alright, but a lot of work is being done right now around this side, people. As you can see, there are scheme houses towards the right, and those are being built for civil servants. And the Prime Minister himself, Andrew, the most honorable Andrew Holness, came at the ground opening service, to give a speech and to speak on this new development being geared towards civil servant, police, nurses, doctors, and so forth. Yes. All right, so more to come, people. All right, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and just tell a friend about this channel. Brownbossjatours signing out.